This is absolutely critical for manifesting what you want through the law of attraction. Hi everyone, Robert ZInk, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach, and today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. What you're about to learn is simple, but it is absolutely critical for manifesting your deepest desires, what you really want, through the law of attraction. You know, the great Wayne Dyer used to say, when you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. I absolutely love that statement by Wayne Dyer, because what he's really talking about here is beliefs. Your beliefs within your mind, within your energy field, determine your vibration, and your vibration determines exactly what you attract. Think of it this way. If I have a radio here and we're flipping by the dial, we're tuning the dial, whatever frequency that I have my radio tuned to determines the radio station that I listen to. Whatever frequency you are tuned into determines exactly what you will manifest in your life. The key, of course, is to always raise yourself to the highest version of yourself, because as you raise your vibration, all the frequencies below you are now available to you. But when you're way down here at those slow moving frequencies, and let me tell you what a slow moving frequency looks like. It looks like worry. It looks like anxiety. It's tight and it's tense and it's always worrying. It's always wondering, is it going to happen? When is it going to happen? Why hasn't it happened yet? Look down below. You will see people comment that way. They will put, I tried this for 2 days and it didn't work. Manifesting, high flyers, please listen to this. Manifesting is not trying. Manifesting is doing. You must become a fitting container for the energy you wish to have in your life. And how do you become a fitting container? By raising your vibration. And one of the things that literally defeats your vibration is anxiety and tension and worry and doubt and fear. These are energies that literally destroy your ability to manifest what you deeply desire. Some people will call this letting go. We'll say, and I use it too, just let go and let it flow. Say it with me. Let go and let it flow. As a matter of fact, write it down below here. Let go and let it flow. You have to be committed to absolutely believing in your intentions and your goals. You have to take inspired action. It's not about trying. I had a lady not too long ago come to me and she said, I'd like to hire you as a miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And after talking to her for a moment or two, I was a little skeptical. We took her on, but I'll tell you why I was skeptical. Because she said, I tried this, and I tried that, and then I tried this, and I read this book, then I did this, and I tried that, and I tried this, and this didn't work, and that didn't work. She literally had a laundry list of things she tried. And she gave everything a few days, a week, maybe 2 weeks. And after that, she was on to something else. And then something else. She had been with love coaches. She had been with several mentors. And she just is not getting it. The secret is to let go and let it flow. I heard someone say a while back ago, he said, you have to kind of want it and not want it at the same time. It's a paradox. You have to seriously be committed to investing in the intention, investing in the outcome, taking a deep breath and then letting it go. So I think the key to manifesting what you truly desire, your deepest desires with the law of attraction, is to set clear intentions. Set absolutely crystal clear intentions of the outcome you desire. Change your beliefs, because if you have old beliefs that stop you, in other words, if you have a new intention to, say, manifest $20,000 a month, but your old belief says, I'm only worth $2,000 a month, you've got a problem. There's a discrepancy. There's a lack of alignment there. So it's important to examine your beliefs and change them so that they absolutely match your new intentions. And then take inspired action, which can mean visualization. It can mean meditation. It can mean what? What else can you do? You can get out and exercise. You can eat cleaner. What else can you do? Affirmations, incantations. But it also means making phone calls or whatever action you might need to accomplish your goal. Inspired action. They call it downloading. I'm not sure I like that term anymore because it kind of ties in with the computer world. But downloading simply means that you are pulling inspiration from your higher self, from your higher intuition, and you're allowing it to come into your consciousness, and then you're acting on it. You're not arguing with yourself about it. You're taking action, inspired action. Next, I think breathing is so important. If you're going to let it go and let it flow, you have to breathe. In through the nose and out through the mouth. High flyers, you have no idea how many times a day I take a deep breath. I do that to clear myself and to put myself focused on my micro intention. When I was a young man, my grandfather, my papa, we were at a family party, and we rented a hall, and there was a pool table there. And he was in his late 70s at the time. And he hadn't played pool in 25, maybe 30 years. And he was a good pool player when he was young. And somebody said, Jack, why don't you get up and shoot a few balls? And he said, nah. And everybody talked him into doing it. Anyway, long story short, he cleaned his stick, he chalked it up, and then he began to shoot. And he ran the table. And I remember standing there with my uncle at the time. I was just a young guy. And he said, look at that, Robert. Don't forget what you're seeing right now. Your grandfather is unconscious. I said, what do you mean by unconscious? He's not thinking about anything except the shot he needs to make now and where the balls will land for his next shot and the shot after that. In other words, he's not thinking about anybody talking, what's going on in the room, what he's going to have for dinner later on. He's not thinking about anything except the shot that needs to be made. And I think that is one of the biggest keys to letting go and letting it flow. Take that deep breath. So you have major goals. I understand that. Major intentions. Break it down into micro goals and then just focus on that one small goal. Get your mind off of all of this. Focus on the small goal. By focusing on the micro goals, what do I have to do for the next 10 minutes? For the next 15 minutes? For the next 5 minutes? It takes your mind off of the big goal and your fears and worries, and you stop choking the energy. You stop choking it, you stop worrying, you stop getting tense, you stop feeling anxiety in your body because you're focused right here, right on the small goal. You're focused on the micro goal. I think if there's anything in the world that I could suggest to you high flyers as you are manifesting, is break your goals down into that small goal and focus on that and attract that. And then attract the next one and the next one and the next one. Take that deep breath in between every small goal because it's so necessary. Stop wondering if it's going to work out. Stop worrying about what other people think. Just let it happen. Let it go and let it flow. It is absolutely critical for manifesting your deepest desires. So last but not least, one of the things that will really help you let it go and let it flow is gratitude. And, I've said this before, some people do gratitude in the morning, some people do it in the evening, but why not get into the habit of gratitude all day long? Being grateful for every good thing, every little thing, even small things. You see, when your mind is filled with gratitude, when you're just inspired with gratitude, when you're happy about so many things in your life, when you're so thankful about the wonderful things that have happened in the past, are happening now, and will happen in the future, when you're in that state of mind, it's so easy to let it go and let it flow. Just relax. Everything you desire, you're going to manifest. If you desire it, if you make it an intention, and if you take inspired action, it'll happen. Just relax. Let it happen. This or something better. Have a great day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.